Hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome to our topic today. What is put away process in warehouse? So, in today's presentations, I will briefly explain what is the put away process in our warehouse so that you can get some knowledge and apply it to your store, right? So, in the warehouse, put away is referring to all your receiving goods from your supplier and then having your item all put away into their assigned places. These assigned places can be your racking, your storage places, your drawer, your locations bin. All right. So why we need to have a put away system? All right. Having a put away system is actually simplify the process of storing your item. It also reduces the risk of misplacing or losing an item and keep your warehouse clean and well organized. All right. So here is some sample for the bin locations. All right. Put away the link to the racking number. So you can see by coding your products bin locations, your worker or your warehouse manager can easily locate the products more faster and more efficiency in the warehouse. Your item will also put in the right place, right racking, and the right locations. So when this racking, use it correctly, okay, it can actually speed up the process of your receiving and also speed up the process of your issuing of your inventory. So what is the prerequisite to implement this put away process? Firstly, you have to verify that you have to set up your location's bin number. Okay, example, the racking name. All right. Second, you have to verify that how many level, how many column you have for your location bin. What is the maximum number of items per racking or the maximum weight and the total capacity for each of the location bin. Thirdly, user can also set up the default bin locations for an inventory item. All right, so that when the item is received into your warehouse, your workers know where to place, which bin locations to place your item or which bin locations to actually pick up an item. All right, so that's all for my sharing today. Please follow me in my channel. I will share my knowledge and experience. You can also share with me what is your current challenges. Whether do you implement the put away process in your warehouse? And do you have do you number your storage locations? Do your people know where to pick or where to place your item? All right. So I hope you enjoy my today's video, and I have so many more to share with you. My name is Vivian. Remember to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell here so that you don't miss my future video. All right. Thank you very much for your time. My name is Vivian. I will see you in my next video. Okay. Bye.